Snuggle down, close your eyes, cozy up, and relax. We're off to the sleepiest, dreamiest corner of a very special place, the world of Moshi. Close your eyes, close your eyes, sleepy panda, sleepy animal. When you wake up, your dreams will appear. Stardust is dream, so be you can be. Twilight it sparkles around the full moon. Sleepy animal is so tired, but he just can't get to sleep. So he's going on a journey, but not his original one. He wakes up and he's in a magical place. There's cotton of wool and all his favorite foods there. An owl swoops by and tells him to get inside the basket. But he also says, I am your Uber for tonight. The little animal is very tired, but he also just can't get to sleep. So he's gonna go on the basket into the dark night sky. The sky is full with stars and all the wonders you could imagine. Imagine all your favorite foods and all your favorite everything there. But he's going on a journey, so we have to be careful. There are little fairies who are singing a tune that sounds just like this. Close your eyes, little. Close your eyes, little animal. But before they continue singing, they wonder what's his name. And he says, Sleepy Paws. So then they continue on singing their tune, and it sounds a bit like this. Close your eyes, sleepy paws, then clear your mind. Let's drift away and see what we can find. Twilight is calling about in the moon. Let's drift away and see what we can find. Then the fairies disappear, but there's stardust going down slowly like magic. Sleepy Paws decides to grab one. Well, he was about to grab one. The owl says, do not touch that. Sleepy Paws, of course, says why. He said, you could be cursed. But Sleepy Paws doesn't listen. When he touched it, it actually didn't do anything because he's an animal. It only does it to humans. They continue gliding. They continue going through the night sky. But then Sleepy Paws falls asleep. The owl continues and takes him to his sleepy harbor, to a sleepy little cabin full of other animals. There is a rabbit standing there. Sleepy Paws woke up, and the bunny said, are you sure this isn't all just a dream? Sleepy Paws says, what do you mean? then the bunny disappears. There is a little hamster. There was some hamsters sleeping and all kinds of animals. But then he sees a giant ladder. He decides to climb up. And then there is a deer with some pink pajamas. Then he says, "Welcome aboard. We have prepared your nest for you." Then he walks into them, and some animals are giving out some little plushies, and he decides to take a koala just like him. He walks and goes into his comfy little home. He falls asleep, but then when he wakes up, he's back in his little tree house. Sleepy Paws can't really remember anything, and he says, "Was this ever a tree?" But in his hand, he's holding something small, round, shiny, but then it turns into a square. And it's stardust too. A nice souvenir. But then it starts to disappear. Sleepy Paws said, "Listen, was this all a dream?" Then he starts to feel sleepy and falls asleep. Fast away. Well, guys, that was the story of Sleepy Paws. I hope you liked it. This is kind of like Sleepy Paws, the original sleepy thing, the sleepy story. But it's not the same because I called it a little animal more. Bye, guys. I hope you liked the story of Sleepy Paws, the little animal. Bye, guys. Bye, guys. Also, I have a brand new intro, not in the intro that I made with that I put. But here's a new intro. Bye, guys. Sabaka. Whoops, wrong one. Well, anyways, bye, guys. Boba. Boba, bye, guys.